In this video, I will be explaining how to stop outdoor taps from freezing up during the winter months. If you're a person who constantly uses your outdoor tap throughout the year, then you might have run into this problem before. And with winter fast approaching, this is a great time to get a solution in place. Please remember to subscribe if you find this kind of content useful. The product I will be using today is the StormGuard Shell Tap Cover. This is a polystyrene insulated cover with a plastic case that can be fixed onto a wall around a tap with its rubber cord and foam seal. To fit the tap cover, first you must place the rubber loop around the head of the tap. Then place the cover over the tap so the thin end is facing upwards. Then push down the button on the clip and pull the rubber cord until the cover is fixed tightly to the wall. Remember that the cover will not fit if you have a hosepipe connector fitted to the tap. And also please bear in mind that the tap cover might not stop the tap from freezing in extreme cold temperatures. If you would like to purchase this product, check the description for a link to the Charles Watson's website. And if everything is done correctly, this product should stop your tap freezing up during frosty nights. Please like the video if you found this useful, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions for future videos.